Headed to Bath and Body Works.
Alright, so we just got back from Bath and Body Works. I picked up 20 of the black tie wallflowers. I cleaned that shelf out. Black tie is like my all-time favorite scent, and I use this both inside of our garage as well as our house. So I go through these really quickly. And they today only, which was today's the 2nd. My phone's there. The 2nd, yes, the 2nd, and so they had a $3.50 sale. So, and it was just like, it was weird, like you had to show your email and they scan your phone. So it was $3.50 per the wallflower, so you save $4. And then they allowed me to use a $10 off of 40 coupon. So that took off $10. And then I had a free gift coupon, which I don't know why, but when she scanned it, it took off of a wallflower instead of like the item that I wanted, which was weird. And I was trying to get a hand soap holder, like the case or the sleeve for them for free, and it was like $12.95, and you could get up to $13.50 for free. But I don't know if it's the way she scanned it in that it didn't read correctly, but whatever. So I basically got 20 wallflowers, which was the limit per the email, for $59.16, and I saved $93.50. I'm so stoked. And it was so funny because I was grabbing them like crazy, and then there was a girl standing there next to the wallflowers, and she was like, oh my god, why are you buying so much? And I was like, oh my god, it's such a good scent. And she was like, leave some for me. And I didn't end up leaving any, but they brought out and they restocked the shelf right after they left. And I was like, oh my god. And then I went back and grabbed more because there was only 17 on the shelf and the limit was 20. So I got them all, so I'm so excited. But yeah, it's the black tie wallflower. Last year they came out with hand soap, lotion, and candles, and this year for some reason and wallflowers. For some reason this year they only brought wallflowers and candles, so I don't know why, because I have 2 hand soaps left and I'm not using them because I love the smell so much. And then I tried to find them on eBay because eBay sells items, and well, not eBay itself, but like sellers sell items, and they're going for like $8 or $10 one. Some are even going for like $20, and I was just like, I'm not trying to pay this like price gouging prices for hand soap, especially because we go through hand soap so much because of COVID. I will say I do also love their hand sanitizer sprays. I personally love sprays more than like liquids. I just feel like it just rubs into your skin a little bit better. They also are hydrating, and then I also like to like just spray things with it. So like my face mask, just like to spray it. Oh god, it's spraying in my face. Or like my keys or whatever. I just like to spray things with it. So, but yeah, I'm really excited. I was so scared that they weren't going to do it because in Hawaii, a lot of promotions, I feel like they don't run here in Hawaii. Like it's not applicable to Hawaii. So I was just happy that it was $3. I still have a bunch from last year because I was using them like sparingly because I knew that they're hard to get because of the only during the holidays. But now I'm about to go ham. I have 2 other like wallflower outlet pieces that I now want to put like in my closet or master, and yeah. So anyway, I finished getting my haircut. As you saw, I got a late start in today's vlog because I did not properly time. Like I knew I had a hair appointment at 11, and then I was trying to like backtrack my day from then, and I just did not do it properly. So there's no morning clip. I basically like got up, I ate, I jumped on a phone call and a meeting with a friend who owns a business, and so we're kind of talking about business things, and then I went to my hair appointment, and now we're at Bath and Body Works. I'm gonna try and pick up lunch now. I'm thinking I want Taco Bell. I'm sitting in front of Panda Express though, and I love Panda Express, but I think I want to do Taco Bell. I also need to do headshots next week, so I'm trying to be a little bit more health conscious with myself. Anyway, yeah, let's go get some lunch. Alright, so we opted into Taco Bell. I'm so excited. I can't wait to drink a Baja Blast Freeze. What is this teeth sign? Ratchet. They are currently out of Doritos Locos Tacos. We ordered some food. I don't think you guys understand. Like, this Taco Bell is always so busy. Like, the drive-through wait line is usually like 30 minutes. And so the fact that I literally did that in all of 10 minutes is just crazy. Yeah, I just got my hair cut. I love my hair lady. We did new highlights. Usually highlights can last me like 6 months. I think the last time I did a full bleach job was like 6 months ago. And we do just from the root. And then every month I do a touch-up, or every other month. We used to do every month, and then we skipped a couple months, and I didn't mind it. Like, it was fading really nicely. And so then I only did a haircut, and then I just scheduled my next appointment, which is in January, and we did a toning, which is like this dark brown. But maybe we can do it every other month, and then a cut every month. I usually do it every 4 weeks, not every month. And I usually do it in the beginning of the month, but I was just telling her, like, I don't like the way it lines up with things I need to do. Like, this month I need to do headshots for real estate, and I need to do it in like mid-December, but my haircut's in the beginning of December, and so I'm just like, shoot, like, it just... But she was just telling me that I can go in for a touch-up if I need to, and we'll just trim the tops and maybe clean up the sides, because I really like it like at this length, like right now. Like, I wish I could go and do my headshots. So weird how they hand things. Like, they hand things in a container to you. I just saw it now. That's what I was looking at. But it's like, do you sanitize that container, or does everyone touch it? You might as well just touch it. Like, it's so crazy. I don't get it. We're stupid. Alright, so we are back at home now. Oh my god, look at all these napkins. Usually, like, before the pandemic, I used to like keeping these napkins in my car. They're great to have, like those, the Starbucks napkins, like drive-through, or not drive-through, but like restaurant napkins. I don't know what I want. Here's a beef chalupa. Black bean. I think I'm gonna do, I mean, not chalupa, Crunchwrap Supreme. I think I'm gonna do the 2 chalupas, the soft taco, and then save the Crunchwrap for later. Maybe that can be like a afternoon snack. I swear, they need to create fridges that push out water faster. I don't know why, but it feels so long too, so. And it's weird, like, I usually hate water, but if I don't drink water all day, like today, it's 3 o'clock and I didn't have any water today. When I finally get water, it's so good. But I'm gonna go ahead and eat some lunch. And then I think I'm gonna work on some wreaths today, because I keep putting it off, but I forget that, like, we're in December, and so people want to put up their Christmas wreaths, you know? Anyway, I want to do this. I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos. The one thing I love about Vlogmas is that, like, everyone is uploading, so there's like so much content to keep up with. So I'm gonna do that, but I'm excited. I don't know what content I got so far today. It's been kind of a boring day, but hopefully I can get some wreaths done and kind of share that process with you folks. I also need to clean out our fridge. Tomorrow is trash day, so I need to empty out our fridge and kind of toss out food. We missed last week's trash day, and I went to go take a bag out to our bigger dumpsters, and it was so stink, because that's like a week old food sitting in there, or actually 2 weeks now. Tomorrow would be 2 weeks. Thanks. But I'm gonna go eat this, enjoy this, watch some YouTube vids, and then I'll check back in with you folks a bit later. Alright, so this is my wreath making station. Don't mind this pink tablecloth. There's just a bunch of glitter that falls off of the Christmas decor pieces that I didn't want to fall on the table. But we have like blue, we have teal, blue, silver, white, more silver, red, gold, a mixture of gold and silver, and then green here. Then we have gold balls here, silver balls, and then more balls over there. And then I have this wreath fluffed. This does have like these gold branches to them and like gold glitter throughout. I don't know if you can tell. I do hot glue gun the balls to the strings or to like the wires. That when I put it in, it stays more secure. So this is like the actual station. Again, more of these funky tablecloths, but it just helps keep the area clean. And then I have about 9 of these Christmas wreaths from Target. They all need to be fluffed. And I'm thinking I'm going to try and flock them. We'll see what they look like hand flocked, but if not, I'll leave them unflocked. I have a bunch of this as well. But yeah, the way I kind of organized it was like picks, balls, and then ribbon. The ribbon for each color is at the top of the tables, just so I can kind of remember where everything is. I have a mixture of both like flowers, leaves, flowers, like little berries, acorns, more acorns, just a bunch of random different things, and have in different color tones because I have about 12 more wreaths that I would like to make this holiday season. If I have the time to do it all, who knows. Before I get glittery and a hot mess, I just want to quickly show you what my first round of wreaths look like. I like them to be really full. This one has like a ton of ribbon, has kind of like a flower, some eucalyptus branches sticking on the side, and a leaf on the side. And I kind of just like poof my ribbon and loop it, throw in some balls, some leaves. So I just kind of mix a little bit of everything. They wanted a teal, white, and silver theme. It's prettier when it's up, but lots of flowers, balls, and ribbon. Again, they wanted it not flocked. I do have another version that's flocked, but so cute. Here's a better view of it without all the junks of my table, my workstation, but I just like to put various size balls into it, various types of balls, so like glitter, frosted, matte, or shiny, I guess this would be matte. And then I kind of just place them throughout. I like every angle of the wreath to be pretty. I do normally have a topper. Like if you turn this way, make that the top, that would look weird. But like this, and actually I would prefer for it to go like this. So this points to the top right, bottom left. This ball would be the center. But yeah, I love it. So cute. One done, have about 12 more to go. I had a late start today, so anyway, just wanted to share this with you. Alright, and then here is the hand flocked wreath. It's basically a spray can of snow. It almost just looks like you spray painted the tips white. This is a pre-flocked. It's just a little bit thicker on the branches, whereas this is just like a dust on it. I don't know if you can tell the difference between pre-flocked and hand flocked. I personally prefer pre-flocked. It just looks more like snow. This just looks almost like a gray cast. But I will say, I do like hand flocked, which is this one here, over no flocking at all. Again, this is still beautiful. It's just that these sparse areas that you can't really film with much, because if you put a ball here, it's just too much balls. If you put a ball there, it's too much balls. I guess I could technically put a ribbon, but there's not enough space to fill it with more decor items. So if this was a hand flocked wreath or pre-flocked, these areas would technically be white, so it's actually really, really pretty. This one, oh, these wreaths are just such high quality wreaths. At regular price, they're about $35, but we got them at 75% off after Christmas, and I need to just keep an eye out because these wreaths are stunning. And I only charged $45 for this, and I should have charged more because these wreaths are so much prettier than these wreaths. Not the design, like the design's still beautiful, but I'm just saying the quality. Like even the branches, like it's just longer, it's fuller, it's just so much prettier when you compare the two. Alright, so this is actually the future me, the editing me coming at you, because I forgot to film an outro. I thought I was going to come into the house, do a bunch more and film more for you folks. And I didn't. So I'm trying to edit this video, wrap up this video, that way I can get it uploaded for you folks. But thank you so much for watching. Thanks for all the love on my previous vlog. I think that has been like my video with the most comments in a very long time, and so I just thoroughly love interacting with you folks and chatting with you folks, and so I really appreciate when you folks comment and kind of like talk with me. You guys are like friends, so it's always so nice to see your comments. If you see this outfit again in a future vlog, you know why. It's because it's future me ending out this vlog. But again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.